Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make a line graph in Excel easy. To start, open the Excel file. After that, select the range of cells to use in the graph. Then go to the Insert menu. There, in Graphs, click on Line Graph and then click on some of the available options. Now you can see your data in this line graph. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.